everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Josie. Today I'm going to do an unboxing, and this is from Chris and Hollie Show, and they are dumpster divers, plus they do many other wonderful things. So take a look at their channel. And what this is calendars and journals. And I show you what I do. I make junk journals. Just show you a little bit of what I do. And for anyone who likes journaling. And so I'm going to use the calendars. And I'm not through with this one, by the way. But this is just a little sample of what I do, and here is cards to journal on. And that's one of them, and then here is another one. Oops, so I make different styles. And I actually, so far I have put like cards, special cards, pictures, but I need to actually start journaling. But anyway, this is what I'm going to use some of the calendars for. I am just so excited. And these are, yes, these are from the dumpster. Oh my gosh. Hollie. Oh, the pop-up cards with envelopes. Oh my gosh. Hollie, you're the best. Oh my gosh. And these are Hallmark. And they're all sealed. And this is what is so a shame that people throw away, stores throw away, and so much waste. And this is one of the main reasons why I'm doing this, is because I want to show what you can do with items that other people just throw away or stores throw away. Oh, and what did she send? Pretty paper for your scrapbooking. Oh my gosh. I love junk journaling and scrapbooking, and oh, look at this. These are gonna work so well with my junk journaling. Oh my gosh. Hollie, you are just the best. And here's a weekly planner. And I'm actually going to create junk journals with these weekly planners. And by the way, I'm still working on the fabric. The tote bag is almost done, and I will be doing another video. These are wonderful. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I am just thrilled. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I keep repeating myself. This is, look at this. It is sealed. And it looks like leather. I'm not even going to take it out of the box. I am absolutely thrilled. These people offer the best products. And you know, a lot of people say, well, oh, they get it free. It is a lot of work to go dumpster diving, and you have to pay for gas. It's a lot of work. I so appreciate this. This says, listen to your heart. Oh my gosh. I can't even describe the excitement. These are so special. Oh my. And then I'll show you the fabric in a minute. It says, and then these are 2020, so they're not even expired yet. But you have to stay tuned, because I will show you what I can create with this stuff. Here's a 2020 calendar. It's just absolutely, oh my gosh. This is such a wonderful surprise. Oh my. Josie, challenge. Make me something cool out of these pajama pants. Something I can carry around with me. Oh, Hollie, I will definitely make you something. Look at this. Look at this fabric. Look at that. Stay tuned, Hollie. You will really get something cute. I have an idea already. And she sent these for me. I will be making different, oh gosh. I will be making things out of this fabric. And I will be sending Hollie some goodies. Look at that. That fabric is so nice. Hopefully I'm not going too fast, but I am just so excited. And look at these flowers. I also use flowers for my junk journals. So this is absolutely, and there's another calendar. Oh, two more. One, yeah, two more. Wow, you've got this stuff packed so well. Oh, look at those pictures. Now, those are really going to work out so well. I love the Victorian era, and I love Victorian things. Oh my gosh. Pecan Divinity. Oh, there goes more pounds. Look at that. Oh, thank you, Hollie. And eggs. Chocolate eggs. Okay, there's one more calendar if I can get it out of the box. It is down, stuck in the box. I will have to get a knife out and get it out. But look at that. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. Hollie and Chris, thank you. I am just really thrilled with everything that you sent. And everything will go to good use. Also, I will make you something and get it to you. And like I said, my purpose in all of this is to show you how much our society wastes. You know, even food, good food is thrown in dumpsters when maybe they could feed the homeless. And all these, they're immaculate. They are immaculate. And when Hollie puts anything on her eBay or she sells anything, she makes sure to clean everything so good. So I do not worry about, you know, something coming from the dumpster because it is cleaned so well. Anyway, I will close this, and this is real excitement. This is not put on. This is, I'm thrilled. This box is even 100 times better than I ever expected. I did not expect it to be this nice, although I knew I wouldn't be disappointed. So anyway, stay tuned. I'm hoping this week that I will be able to finish at least 3 of the sewing projects from the fabric that I purchased from them. And then I'll have the little tiny scraps, and that's going to be, I think, the most amazing part of the series of videos on dumpster fabric. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you're not, have not watched Chris and Hollie's videos, please go over there and watch. I appreciate thumbs up or even a thumbs down. I know you watched it. And if you're not subscribed, I also appreciate that you subscribe to my channel. And have a great day, be safe, and thank you for watching. Bye, everyone.